Hello, welcome to my channel, and now I will show you how to use multi-window on your Huawei Y6 2019 smartphone. What you have to do: first, open application that you want to use in split screen. For example, I want to use YouTube. Go to home screen, then go to recent application menu, and as you can see above YouTube, uh, on the upper right corner there are two squares, and type on it, and as you can see YouTube is now on upper part of the screen. uh, Now you have to choose application that you want to use in lower part of the screen. For example, let it be browser, and here it is. This line here you can use to move up and down. That depends which application you want to use on larger part of the screen. And if you want to get out of this multi-screen, just take this line and move it down, so now you can watch uh, YouTube on full screen view. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If it was useful for you, please like it, share it, and of course leave me the comment section below. It means a lot to me.